During November, we heard about a number of false alarm calls. The types of false alarm calls varies, but can cost lives because resources are diverted away from other incidents. The first incident shown wrongly stated people were trapped in a house fire and led to 4 fire engines and an officer racing to the scene. But not all false alarms are malicious. Out of those false alarms last year, 64,778 were due to good intent, where people had spotted something but it turned out to be either something innocent or non-serious. This one, we are told, was reported as a possible fire at a masjid renovation, turned out to be a controlled fire by builders. In one incident, a waste fire in a recreational space was reported, and in another incident, a fire was reported at an outbuilding in a park. This time it turned out to be a small fire in the open. Fires like these, secondary fires, made 66,619 of the total incidents firefighters attended last year. We need to start teaching our children and young ones about fire safety and that it is not cool to make false calls and warn them of the dangers of small fires. By doing this, we ensure we and our communities can remain safe.
Yeah. Maybe